Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 8 is equals to 4 power 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So my first step is to I am taking power 8 to both sides. Now according to exponent rule, a power m power n, that is equals to a power mn. We can write the right hand side as 4 power 32. And here again we are going to use this rule of exponent and we can write x power 8, this power 8 to with this whole power x power 8 is equals to 4 power 32. Now 4 power 32 we can break it as 4 power 2 times 16. So x power 8 power x power 8 is equals to, with the help of this rule, we can write it as 4 square power 16. Now we all know that the square of 4 is 16, so 16 power 16. Now if I'm comparing both sides, the value of x power 8 is 16. So x is equals to 8th root of 16, or we can write this as, with the help of this property, n power a is equals to a power 1 by n. So we can write it as 16 power 1 by 8. So x is equals to 16. We can write it as 2 power 4 power 1 by 8. So x is equals to 2 power 4 times 1 by 8. If we cancel out, this is half. So x is equals to 2 power 1 by 2. Or we can write it as x is equals to plus minus square root of 2. All these things come in plus minus, because here we remove the square root here. So the final value of x is plus minus 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.